Elite Biomedical Solutions manufactures replacement parts for IV pumps. As of 2017, I'm very excited to announce that we're able to bring in-house manufacturing to the Elite Biomedical Solutions group. Elite decided to bring manufacturing in-house due to the fact that it gives our customer the ability to have control over the whole process. It fills in the piece of the puzzle that Elite needed. Our product development group would, do the design work. Our quality would do the quality work. However, the missing piece was actually seeing the part come alive. So we actually brought that here in-house, so I can have my young engineers come out here and see the part, make improvements right away, shoot the part again. With them being new, precise injection molding machines, we're able to bring in the material as well. So we have control over the material, the machines, the process, the robotics, all throughout the whole process of the manufacturing side. For the customer, it means better quality, better lead times, and better price. Elite is, bringing in-house makes us 100% made USA parts. That's one thing that we are very proud of. The responsibility of us doing the in-house manufacturing also gives us the opportunity to validate the material, validate the parts, validate the machine, and then we can see that product go out the door.